driving the BMW M2 2024 G87. So I'm gonna get some POV footage while I go make some errands. So let's get right to the video. For you guys, the driving experience. So here we go. Gonna hit this turn just like that. You guys can see how these corners so well. Highway a little bit. Move out the way, Tessie. Man, I love driving this car. Truly amazing vehicle. Love it. Handles so amazing. Definitely think I'm gonna have to do some upgrades to the exhaust because I want the engine. I want to hear that exhaust sound more. I want to hear the engine more. But yeah, but definitely loving this car. If you're thinking about getting a BMW M2, I highly recommend getting it. Don't hesitate. It's well worth it. It's a fun car to drive. It's muscular, it's compact, boxy, but definitely a joy. All right, yeah, so after doing these errands, as you can see, the car is still running. I love that little preconditioning mode on the car. It helps out a lot when you're running errands. It helps keep the car cool. So yeah, had to grab some chicken. But yeah, greatly appreciate you guys' support. Today, I'm with the Osmo Action 4. But yeah, as you guys can see, that now all I gotta do, put my foot on the brake around there, hit that start button, boom. Now the car is active and ready to go. So yeah, once again, greatly appreciate you guys' support. Thank y'all for tuning in to another episode. Got more videos coming, more POV Drive videos. I know you guys are loving that, so I greatly appreciate that. If you guys want to see other different type of content, let me know below. But if you guys are feeling this, also let me know below. With that being said, peace and love, many blessings, and I'm out.